When you're out on the road, being able to see should be the last thing on your mind. An upgrade to Goodyear ceramic titanium wiper blades that can power through rain, sleet, snow, and slush keeps road visibility off your mind by delivering higher performance than conventional blades and keeping your windshield clear. With cutting-edge construction that brings you visibility you can trust, we've designed the next generation of Goodyear high-performance wiper blades. How did we do it? We're glad you asked. Goodyear ceramic titanium wiper blades are built to last. They feature a durable ceramic titanium dioxide coating that reduces friction and delivers all-season performance for twice as long as that of standard blades. And with beam blade technology that distributes pressure evenly across the entire length of the blade, an upgrade to Goodyear ceramic titanium brings you next-level visibility and streak-free performance in any weather. Upgrading your road visibility with Goodyear ceramic titanium blades is a breeze. With an easy-install adapter system that accommodates all the common wiper arm styles, you can change your blades and be road-ready in just a few short minutes. What else could you ask for? With affordable performance, easy installation, and blade lengths of 13 inches to 28 inches, upgrading to Goodyear ceramic titanium wiper blades is an easy way to make a big impact on visibility for more confidence on the road. Goodyear ceramic titanium wiper blades. Performance you can trust.